Search for Wi-Fi camera on Google Play or App Store to download and install it. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone, find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Motorola or V-SYS. Enter the number to connect to Wi-Fi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder, you can see the real-time image. When the mobile phone is connected to the Wi-Fi of the recorder, the remote control cannot be operated. Click Online to view the files in the memory card. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to delete or download video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play it or edit a video within 30 seconds to share with others. The settings page can set the video resolution, loop video time, GSTG sensor sensitivity, sound record, and other functions.